Hajime mashite, boku wa jiri desu. Hey everyone out there in YouTube land. Quick impromptu video. Not really any thought in this one, but when is there? Sometimes if you think about life, there are concepts that just blow your mind. Like the idea of insurance. It's a great idea, just like in general. It's kind of like communism. It's a great idea. It just doesn't work on very big scales. The difference with insurance is that apparently it works. The basic idea is that you pay either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, yearly, depending on what type of insurance you have and for what it covers. Sometimes it's included in your mortgage payment, or typically not included in your car payment. Comes out of your health insurance comes out of your paycheck, usually your salary. But it is basically this. Okay. Basically, it is I pay you, so if I get sick, have an accident, you will pay for me to be, taken care of, have the car replaced, get my finger sewed back on, whatever it may be. But in reality, the way it breaks down is I'm going to pay you once a week, once a month, whatever the case may be, for an undetermined amount of time, for at least as long as I own this car or own the house, whatever the insurance is for. And at some point in the future, if I need to use it, I'm going to have to pay you again just so I can actually use it. That's called the deductible. Like, what made me think of it is I was throwing away some old mail and I noticed the mortgage agreement that includes the insurance, the homeowner's insurance. And it tells me the price. What was it? Something. I'm not going to say the amount, but it says price for, medical insurance is included in it in case someone, the house, I don't know, door falls on somebody, tub falls over, I don't know. But each one has a list, to pay up to this much, and then after each one it says minus deductible. All right, so it's like, hey, 10,000, hey, your refrigerator fell over and there's $10,000 worth of medical damage. We're going to pay that, but first we need you to give us $500. It's like, bitch, pay $950 and shut the fuck up. What is the point of a goddamn deductible? It's like, I've been paying you for an indeterminate amount of time, and then all of a sudden, hey, you've got to use that insurance that you've been paying us for so fucking long to use. Now that you need to use it, you've got to pay us again. It's like after an accident, after a big fuck off thing, like say the whole house insurance, right? Let's say, what does it say for the deductible? I don't know. It's on there somewhere. Might have threw that page away. Let's say, oh yeah, okay, yeah, your house burnt down, and fucking you got burned and whatever else, you got injured. So you're out of work. Your fucking house is gone. All your shit's gone. So they're going to come at you while you're in the hospital and say, we're going to pay the medical bills. And we're going to, give you, either replace the house or give you the money, the cash value, the money, the monetary value of the insurance policy. Of course, after they pay off the whatever equity you have. But here's the thing: we need you to give us $1,000, $2,000, whatever it is. Is it on this paper? I don't know. Whatever it's $500, $1,000, $2,000. Whatever. It's something like that. So it's like you're broke, you have no money, your family's probably staying in a hotel. You're going to have medical bills. So it's not like you have a fucking choice. But the thing is you've been paying them for 10 years. There's probably thousands, if not hundreds of thousands or millions of people that have insurance policies that's never used them. But yeah, still, you got to pay that deductible. How did that get in and how does it stay? Because we don't stand up and say, fuck you. Anyway, that's just something, just little things like that, little ideas like that. Just what? Because if you go to someone and straight up say, listen, I'll, guarantee this. It's like, oh, that's cool. How much will that cost? Oh, $10 a month, and I'll guarantee that something always happens or whatever. And I'm like, okay. It's like, also, if it ever actually does happen, you have to pay us again, like 5 times the amount of a monthly payment. That's how my car insurance is. It's a $500 deductible, and it's about $100 a month. 120, like 120 for full coverage, something like that. Anyway, random thoughts. Enjoy.